Cucumbers serve as a healthy skin treatment for both topical and internal use. They are rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish the body. Mostly made of water, cucumber hydrates the skin while also containing anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Cucumbers also have the same pH as your skin, creating a balance that may keep acne at bay. There is little scientific evidence that links cucumber juice to acne treatment, specifically, but it probably won't hurt to give it a try. Cucumber can be directly applied to the skin and added to your diet. Use cucumber on its own or mix it with other acne-fighting ingredients for added benefits. There are many things that can be mixed with cucumber juice, so you can be creative about creating a cleanser. Test out some of the recipes below to see which combinations work best for you. Consuming cucumber juice. 1. Acknowledge a lack of evidence. Many people successfully use fruits and vegetables, like cucumber, for healthy skin and overall wellness. However, medical research has not thoroughly examined or demonstrated clear anti-acne benefits from applying or consuming cucumbers. 2. Don't underestimate a healthy diet. Although current scientific research on cucumbers and skincare is insufficient, maintaining a healthy diet and staying hydrated is recommended by most doctors. Cucumbers contain vitamins, minerals, and water, making them a generally safe addition to your meals. 3. Add cucumber to your juices and smoothies. Cucumber has a mild flavor and is mostly composed of water. This makes it a great ingredient to add to your vegetable or fruit smoothies. Peel the cucumber and add as much as you desire. 4. Add cucumber to your meals. Cucumber adds a nice texture to your daily meals. It can be added to salads, sandwiches, or rolls. Peel and chop the cucumber in the desired size. 5. Eat it raw. Cucumber is an excellent snack. It is crunchy and refreshing, especially on a warm day. Eat it raw or add a little bit of olive oil and salt for extra flavor.